You have a cost versus quality. How much we are making. Is that very important? Always keep it in mind. People are concerned with respect to cost, and more importantly, they are concerned with the quality. Yeah, where people see ultimately customers will buy based on the quality that our production, accounting, and marketing department discuss various grades. Is it various high quality, low quality of leather? Okay, it all depends. See, if your leather is good, if you are purchasing a good leather, automatically the bags will be very at the highest standard. If there is and you are compromising on the quality of the leather, automatically what will happen? We'll focus on cost. What will happen? The quality will decrease, and even you have make a production. Is there you are making a production? What will happen? No one will buy. Or if you are going to sell, you have to give lot of discounts. Okay, you have to offer sale. Is that the purpose of business will be lost? Are you clear about this?
Yes.
And as usual, you should always keep into consideration the opening balance and the closing balance. Is it okay?
Yes.
Now, again, what is the second one? We are talking in terms of how marketing is linked. So purchasing, we have done purchasing, we have purchasing with accounting, production with accounting, marketing with accounting, everything. See, now you will understand how we are coordinating. Marketing to a marketing department coordinates with accounting department. What they say, marketing department, accounting department will discuss likely how much is the sales volume, okay, of each product. See, we'll say that yes, this much will be the estimated sales.
Yes.
Is it? We will have the estimated sale. According to that, marketing department will market the product. Is that in order to reach the sales? Because what will happen? It is a marketing team. Okay, marketing team. Marketing team will be set targets that you have to sell this many products. Is that you have to sell this many products. When the marketing team is assigned the task, automatically what will happen? The production team and the accounting team has to fulfill those targets. The accounting team is linked to team is linked to the production. Accounting team is linked to the purchasing department. So the responsibility comes completely with whom? It will come with the accounting department, because they are in between the loop. Okay, they are in between the loop. What is the advertisement? The accounting department will help marketing department in set budget, how much you have to spend on advertising. Is it where we have to say, and how much it is going to, at what cost effective advertisements, where we should advertise, okay, how we have to advertise, where, how. Is it? We have to always think that how is the best cost estimate. Is it? Best cost estimate. Is it? These are the things people should be understand when we are doing the thing. Next, when you are talking about the marketing, is it most important is the best thing is at what price. Okay, what is the price? That's very important. Now people are concerned, customers are concerned with price. Is that customers are concerned with price? Why people are moving to Chinese product? People are moving to Chinese only with respect to the price. Even you see the things nowadays, you see the cars. People are buying MG. People are buying V. Even they are not buying Korean cars. Okay, they are taking into consideration. Previously, what used to happen? You have a Japanese cars. You have the German cars. Okay, then they used to give priority to American cars, because American cars are a little bit less expensive. Then after what Chinese cars came, then they are not giving importance to American. These Chinese cars will have more features.
Yes.
is a more specification that less price. Okay, it is as well less. Now people are not thinking about 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. People are thinking maximum. They are thinking that I will use the car for 3 years, and after 3 years I will replace the car. Are you clear about this?
Yes.
Okay, this is the way. Now, apart from that, when you are doing the accounting department also, see, we will see what is the market share. Okay, you will see what is you take the example of the handbags. Okay, you take the handbag. You have various different brands of handbags is there. Yeah, is it right? You have I will say you have the handbags with respect to Gucci. You have the handbags with respect to Pierre Cardin. You have the handbags with respect to there are so many brands are there. Is it right? You have the handbag. Now you will see which brand we have to have a good market share with respect to the brand of our own product. Okay, this is where we are talking about the marketing. Marketing people want that, yes, we want to see what happens. Every time we want to make sure that we should have a highest market share. Are you clear about this?
Yes. Yes.
Is it? Now, once it is sold, okay, then it is what will happen. People are companies very often provide services to customers. Okay, at the same time as either at the time of sale or it is after sale service. A computer retailer may charge an extra fees to help customer to set up the system. A car dealer may provide for car servicing. Are you clear about this? If you are buying the car, okay, what they will say? They will say that there will be a free service. There will be a free service for 50,000 kilometers. Is that it is nothing is there. They will incorporate the cost in that. Okay, they will incorporate the cost in that. We will think that it is free service, but it is not going to be the free service. Okay, services have four main features. Okay, services are intangible, services are not separable, services will perish, means it will lapse, and services will have variability. Okay, remember this. Okay, remember this. I am putting a star mark.
Keywords, simple words.
Yes.
Can you tell us the simple words so we can?
Yeah, intangibility. Intangibility means, see, I am giving service. Nobody will give service. You are giving service. Nobody, see, service will differ from person to person. Service will differ from place to place. Is it? Service will play from place to location service. It will be differ from, see what you want. You are going to see, I am telling you this, you are going to an hospital. You will say that I want specific doctor.
Yes.
Is it? If that doctor is not available, you will be really little bit hesitant. You will be little bit reluctant to go to another doctor. You will travel all the way to 20 kilometers to go for a particular doctor.
Yes.
Isn't it? This is what we are called intangible. Services by the organization on behalf of the customer. They therefore cannot package for the customer to take away with them. It means services are very important, isn't it? There often have few, if any, physical aspects. Isn't it? For example, see the thing they give. A taxi driver provides a service carrying customers from one location to another. The customers do not have a permanent, tangible product they can keep. We are taking the service and we are just forgetting it. Is it right? We are taking the service. We are just service means for the temporary period. Okay, service is going to be for the temporary period. Okay, this is inseparable. Services are often created by the organization at the same time they are consumed by the customer. Is at same time what is inseparable? You are asking for the service. What is that? They will say it is that during that time. During that time they will provide you service. Okay, during the particular time, a taxi driver will create service carrying a passenger to a desired location. The service cannot therefore be distinguished from a person or organization. Means you cannot say you are taking the service inseparable. You are saying that yes, when you are paying for that, it all belongs to you. Is that you cannot say that you have hired the taxi, and you cannot say that the taxi driver cannot say that they will share the taxi with other people. Is that they share that means inseparable. You are when you are paying, you have the right. Okay, you have the right to use. Okay, right to use. Is that perishable? Services cannot be stored for later. Is that as and when you are talking about the service that day, what will happen? Services will say that services will be for during this period. They say that
Yes.
these services will be for 5 days. These services will be for 10 days. You are paying, okay? You are paying. You see the thing. You are paying annual fees. Is that you are
Yes.
paying annual? They will say that these services will be expired by 10th of January. That's all.
Yes.
The 10th of
That's what.
that's all. After that you have to pay again, and you have to get it. Your service will be renewed. And services is variability. So every service is unique. Okay, every customer is unique. Services cannot usually be repeated. Today you are saying something, tomorrow you will want another service. Either you will add some more, something less. Okay, means variability. When there is a variability, the price will also have the variability. Is it?
It's like changing, sir.
It like changing, yes. Okay.
Yes.
They are talking about, see, the relation between the service provisions and account. What is the again they will link how it is related to the accounting. There are several issues which the service departments need to input. We are talking about charge out rates. We are giving the service on an hourly rate basis. Is that we are giving the service on hourly rate basis? Is that if should be higher than when with the company charge, it should be higher than salaries, as it includes what we are talking about: a service, training, and any profit to the company wishes to make. The services means when we are talking about the service, we are not cost of the product. Is it right? Cost of the product and cost of the service. Cost of the service. Okay, cost of the service is going to be additional one. Okay, cost of the service will be. It's not going to be. Cost of the service will be an additional one. Okay, that's why I say it should include a share of overhead. Share of overheads is nothing but additional cost. Is it? When we are providing service, service will have the additional cost. Okay, however, if the charge out rate, extra rate is too high to customers, then they will not use the service. People are very conscious about it. Is it how much you are giving the service? See, you make it point. You have a car, okay? You want to give service car for the service. Definitely, you will see the price, okay? You will see the price where the price is less, where the facilities, where they are offering more features, more items of services. Automatically, according to that, we will work. Is it? If customers are very selective, keep it in mind. Some customers are more intelligent than the people who are selling. Many accounting terms base charge out for their staff on roughly 3 times the person's salary. Is it right? When we are doing the things, we are going to charge 3 times of the salary. Read this one again.
This one full. The relationship between service and provision accounting. There are several issues about which the service department may need the input of accounting department. Number one, charge out rates. This is the hourly rate which the company charges the client. It should be higher than the salary as it should include a share of overhead. Example, training and any profit the company wishes to make. However, if the charge out rate is too high, customers will not use the service.
See,
Many
I will give an example, okay? I will not name the brand of the car, but it is the premier brand, is it right? What the premier brand says, that I will not change using the name, is that if they will not charge anything. They say that you have, if you are giving it for service, it will take 4 hours. And if you are
yes,
taking it 4 hours, they will charge $80. Okay, they will
yes,
charge $80 automatically. This is the service. Okay, whether there is a issue, there is not an issue. If there is anything additional, they will charge additionally.
yes,
Okay, they will charge additionally. Are you clear about this?
yes,
Yeah. Estimating the cost, is it? See, definitely there will be charge out rate. Okay, charge out rate means for how much you are going to charge. Okay, at the hourly rate. Problem arising in determining. There are issues will be there. We are talking about overhead means additional cost. Overhead means other cost. Okay, overhead means other cost. Other related cost. Okay, overheads is nothing but other related cost.
oh,
It is what are the other? See, see ultimately what is your target? You are doing the business. You want to make sure that there should be a cost should be minimum. You should know that how best you are talking about cost to be minimum. Now, when we say that, when we are giving a package, okay, when we are giving a package, what they will do? You will make sure that the package should be the minimum cost. Okay, people will see what is the price. Okay, we will see what is now. If you say that 1 hour, okay, 1 hour, we are going to charge $10. Okay, we are going to charge $10. You see the pricing. If you are using 2 hours, okay, you are using 2 hours, they will not charge $20. What they will say? They'll say that we are going to charge how much? $18. We are going to say 3 hours. Okay, they will say that we are going to charge how much? $25. Are you clear about this?
yes,
So this is called as a charged out rate. Okay, means you will measure the you will give the advantage. Is it a see what neither you are losing nor they are losing. It is a win-win situation. Is that is a win-win situation. Somebody will take for 3 hours. Instantly you will get how much? $25 you will get. Is it a $25? See, if the service takes, see the thing, if the service takes longer to provide than expected, the company may not able to pass the extra cost. Understand what? If the service is taking longer time, automatically you cannot say that I will charge you extra cost. What you will do? You will reduce the cost. Okay, you will reduce the cost. Means you are giving the advantage to the customers. That is the reason. That is the way people are concerned about. People are concerned about doing the business. Tomorrow you will also do the same thing. If you are doing the business, you say that okay, you are taking for 2 hours, 2 days. Now fine, you are buying bulk. Fine. Instead of buying one product, one unit, I'm saying that one unit is $10. I'm saying that I will buy 3 units. Immediately what you will say, how much is the discount? I will say that for 3 units, give me for $25. You will say that better. Instead of selling 111, I'm selling 3 units. I'm getting the advantage. This is where these are all business tricks.
Yes.
Okay. Now, there will be problems. Okay. There is not nothing like that. Everywhere there will be market conditions. Okay. Market conditions, that charge out rate is very low element, profit element. See here how much is the profit. Here the profit is going to be more. The moment you are giving discount, the profit will
Will be less.
less. Is that you have to balance it, isn't it? The company may question whether it is worth carrying out these services. The problem is that benefits are intangible. Is that benefits are more? We cannot see the benefits. Not easy to measure. See the thing, very simple. I am selling 3 hours. Otherwise, I will sell 1 hour, 10 riyals. After 1 hour, there will be some break, and I have to search for another customer, another customer, another customer. Now what happened? A same customer is there who is not taking for separately, but who is taking for 3 hours. That is the advantage he will see, and that is the advantage I will also get.
Okay.
Are you clear about this?
Yes.
Is it? They are talking about GHI Limited is retail of computers. They offer service of customer. They offer service to customers where they will go to the customer house to set the new system. What factors we have? See, if you are having related to system computers, you are going and making an installation. Is it? What are the things will be added to the cost? Wages cost to the employee. Is it right? Employee social security cost. Is that social security means we are talking in terms of pension, we are talking in terms of insurance. You will add up, okay? Any traveling cost, you will add up, okay? Any training cost, you will add up. How long the job will take, time, you will add up.
Yes.
Is it? What is the what is the profit you are going to charge, you will add up. Cost savings are due to providing fewer calls to GHI problem hotline. Is it cost savings due to providing service? You whether any communication you are taking, is it within how many calls you are attending the things? It will be add up. Means you are want sometimes what will happen? They will say that emergency. Is it? Emergency. Automatically what will happen? You will have the special rates. Okay, fee charged by competitors. You will compare what you are doing and what other companies are doing.
Yes.
Is it? Price charge for the computer. There you will see if computer price is low, charge more for this service. Is it? You will balance in some way. In some way, they will decrease the value of the computer. Is it? They'll say, see, now you see the thing. They say that it is going to be $99. Always see the pricing. They say that it is going to be $199. They will not say 200. Is it? That is a psychological pricing will be there. Okay. You will say you will reduce it, whereas you will increase the value because everybody wants service, and service is a quality. Is it? Once you are familiar with the service, you will not go to the other place. You will go all the way to that service. Here what they will do, they'll say that I am charging $149. The product price will be less, the service price will be more.
More.
Likewise, you see, it is all ideas. Okay, there is no hard and fast rule that depending on the situation, you will work out the conditions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. What they are saying, just tell.
JKL Limited is a car dealer dealing with new and second-hand cars. JKL also has a service department with service cars for customers and others. The fee charged to customers will include parts used and an hourly rate for the time spent by service person. List the factors that should be taken into account by JKL in determining the hourly rate to be charged for such service.
Same
List the
thing. Is
factors.
that same thing? What is there here? Is that whatever is there here, it will be
Yes,
it will be worked out here.
but this is not multiple choice, right, sir?
No. Okay. This is not, don't worry about that. I will explain each and everything. Okay. I'm here to explain you how it is. Here we are talking in terms of wages. We are talking in terms of social security.
Yes.
Is it? You are talking in terms of social security. You are talking in terms of training.
Training, yes.
Is it? You are talking in terms of return, required return profit. Is it? You are talking in terms of what the competitors are charging. Okay? They will say what they are talking second hand cars. Second hand cars means we are also taking in terms of how much the value of the car, depreciation. Is it? We will not only see, we will see what is the service cost. Okay, we
Yes.
are we are taking various different factors when we are understanding the concept. Is it okay?
Yes.
Next. Same thing they are talking here also. Is it? List the benefit JK for providing such thing. When you are providing the things, what will happen? When you are, see, read this thing, question number 3.
JKL Limited is a car dealer dealing in new and second-hand cars. JKL also has a service department with service car for customers and others. The fee charged to customers will include parts used and hourly rate for the time spent by the service personnel. List the benefits to JKL of providing such a service. Benefits.
See, when we are also service which provides car for customer, the fee charge will include parts, use,
Yes.
hourly rate. Is it right? Everything at one place. Is that everything at one place? Is that now people will say that we are providing one-stop solution. Okay, we are talking. If you are going giving a car for a servicing, what they will do? They will not see you are giving a car and they will give you back. They will not say that you have to go get this space. You are giving to a authorized center. Is that you are giving to a authorized center. If you are giving a car to the authorized center, they will not ask you anything. They will say that you come after 2 hours, take your car back. That's all. For that they will charge. Yes or no?
Yes.
Is that they will charge. They will not say that yes, this is what we have to do, this is what we should not do. Okay? It is a
Yes.
one-stop solution. Is that no? They will, what will happen? That fine. It will create value. Okay? It will create. See, people are there willing to pay. Customers are there willing to pay, but they have to get the value for the payment also. Is it? Now what they say when we are doing this, they are not happy. They will buy a new car. They can replace the car also. Is it right? Replace the car also means what they want to say that if you are giving a one-stop solution. See, this is all business. Why hypermarkets? Why hypermarkets? Why malls? Nowadays, why malls are become so popular? See, you are having, assume, you are having $1,000. You are going to the hypermarket. You want to buy some specific product, one, two, X, Y, Z. Okay, you go
Yes.
and say that I want to buy XYZ. But while coming back, okay, while coming back, you will add more products, okay? You will not buy
Yes.
only 3 products. You will buy 3 plus 10 other products.
Yes.
Is it? This is the way it will happen. Okay, this is why hypermarkets, malls are very very popular. You will go with one idea, but you will end up with more buy.
Yes.
Is that what
Yes.
more buy? See, these are the things. You are going to an authorized center. You will say the X, Y, Z. The other things you will add up. Is it? Other things you will add up. That is the one. Whenever you are doing the business, you will not sell only one product. You have to sell related products also.
Yes.
Is that automatically what will happen? This is the business concept. That is the reason. You simple. I am giving you a very simple concept. You want to have tea or coffee. Okay, you want to have tea and coffee. They will not only sell tea and coffee. What they will say? They will sell water. They will sell
Sandwiches.
sandwich also.
Yes.
Is that they will sell sandwich also?
Juice.
They will sell some cookies also. Okay,
Cold drink.
they'll say sand. They will also not only tea and coffee. They will also they will fresh juice also they will sell.
Yes.
Is that you are selling a multiple products? Okay, one-stop solution. You don't want this. So if you are going with a group of friends, everyone will have different preferences. Somebody go for tea, somebody go for coffee, somebody go for water, somebody go for fresh juice. Is it right? This is the way you have to work it. Are you clear about this?
Yes.
Fine. Now they gave you some questions. Is there? Tell me what. Which of the following is coordination between which department? Purchasing and accounting.
Which of the following is coordination between purchasing and accounting? It is A. Establishing credit terms.
Exactly. Next.
Which of the following is not an example of coordination between the marketing and accounting department?
Which is the not, okay? Which is the not. This is
Yes.
advertising, pricing, market share. Assessing credit worthiness is for the purchasing department.
Pricing is there, market share is there, and assessing credit
This is with respect to purchasing.
purchasing.
What is the next one?
D. Example D, yeah. Which of the following is likely advantage of providing a good service? Greater customer satisfaction, higher payroll cost, higher inventory turnover, economies of scale.
Hmm.
Economies of scale means large business, sir, right?
Huh?
Economies of scale means the business is large, right?
Yes.
On a bigger scale.
Hmm.
Why do I think it is A, greater customer satisfaction.
Good. Yes. Service, na? Service is
Yes.
the customer satisfaction. Next.
Most services provided by an organization will be created at the same time as they are consumed. Which of the future service is being described?
Intangible or inseparable. Whenever we are talking of the services, okay, provide at the same
Yes.
time, okay, same time. If you are providing at the same time, we cannot separate.
Yes.
Answer is
B.